Hey guys, it's your best boy Nelson. Today I will be singing Yoga with Gabba Train Ride Jingle by Tahiti Eddie from Train episode before we had to go to Gabba Land. So let's do it, shall we, viewers? Then let's do it! Cinder, so kissing soon. I went by your rail with my border, my town. We'll take a train ride. Choo choo, moving so fast and running around. It's running the trash. Take a train ride. Now we wait to pass through sunny days. Come and travel from New York to Malay. It makes a mother cross this away. I'll take a train ride. Sit down, suitcase in hand. I went by your rail with my older my dad. We'll take a train ride. Choo choo, moving so fast, away around, exploring the trash. Take a train ride. Now we were to pass a sunny day. Come and travel from New York to Malay. It makes another closest away. Attend the train ride. Thanks for watching. I watched the Yoga with Gabba train episode as a kid.